In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add YouTube link to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to go to YouTube app. And now if we want to add the YouTube link to some video, we can find that video and then tap at three dots, get into share, and then copy link. That will copy the link to that particular video to our clipboard. If we want to copy link to our channel, we can go to our channel, then three dots, share, and copy link. After that we can hop out YouTube and then go to Instagram. Then first off we need to create a story. To do that, just tap right here and let me choose some photo from my camera roll, and once you've done that, all you have to do in order to add a link to this story is just tap at stickers icon and then just search for a link sticker. If you can't find it here, you can use search, just like that, then just tap on it and then paste your URL here. Tap at done, and that will add the link to your YouTube channel or video to your Instagram story. After that you can resize it, you can rotate it, you can place that sticker at any position, just like that. And basically that's how you can easily add YouTube link to your Instagram story. Now guys, you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.